Hey guys, today we'll be looking at the Abus U-Lock range, which is the right lock to choose if you want to keep your bike. Now Abus are a German company and have been around for a very long period of time, so they have the research and knowledge base to be able to produce some very tough locks to keep those pesky thieves away. First of all, the main benefit of having a U-Lock over a cable lock is that a U-Lock is completely rigid, which essentially means there's no weak points. And no weak points means it's much harder for a thief to break into. Obviously, when we purchase a lock, we want to provide security for our bikes, and Abus have thought this is priority number one in their full range. Even at this entry level 6, you will not be able to penetrate this using either bolt cutters, eye sprays, saws, drills, or even a car jack. Now, all of us hate carrying the locks in our bags or around our handlebars because they just get in the way and scratch your frames. That's why Abus have created some very versatile frame brackets that will stop this. Now, as you move up the range in the Abus U-Locks, you'll reach the level 15, which is the maximum range. Now, the benefits you'll be getting with this lock is an even thicker U-bar and a 100% unpickable lock. Now, personally, I would recommend this because I use this one and it puts my mind at ease when I leave my bike for long periods of time. Now, you can check out the full Abus range on the Pushys website.